Premium's Iho Chamfer Foil Gel, which is just this great, awesome. It takes like 30 seconds to cure that. And I'm gonna apply it completely. Do the look of, you can do completely the nails, or you can use half of the nails. You can do like 1/3 of the nails and do crystal over it. However you would like it. I just would like to show with you is simple for all beginners. You can completely transfer the flowers. So I am going to keep for 30 seconds. Can you grab them and keep 30 seconds? And I got to share with you with really cool that collectible mix bags here. I'm gonna get to open it. Like yesterday we did opened the Mercury, one of the mix bags. I still have a lot in here in the tray, so I'm gonna save it for next time we do another theme of color. So last night, well, Sarah would help me. What is that? Sarah was boho glam. So, or whatever it is, I forgot. So, what is that, Sarah? Sarah just did awesome, beautiful, nice live tutorial just not too long ago. So if you haven't get chance to tuning in to connect with Sarah, she is Sarah, Nailed by Sarah Detroit. Hi Debbie, you are very welcome. My pleasures. Hey Nancy. All right, so then you can do however you want your flowers. You can do it straight, or you can do like however. You just like make sure that what you want, and then you can just play them right in. Just give a good, you know, like a rub and pressures on. Yesterday, if you was here with me, I was a cameraman, so I'm like, okay, here you go, done. Boop, we'll put it on. Nothing happened because he forgot to press the 30 seconds for me. He set me off, everyone. So it's great. Press. Look at that. Completely, everyone. Like, look at that. That's it. Super simple, easy. I don't know if you want, do you want me to put crystal in here? I can put, if you want, you can put crystals here, 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 right in the middle of the flower. Should I? I'm gonna wait for you. If you are say, okay, Nancy, do it then. Yeah? Should I? Yep. That's it. Just completely transfer in like a no time. Hey, crazy South Dakota. Hello, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Tina. For East Texas, from East Texas. Hey, Miss Corina. Of course, Laugh Out Loud, which is the crystal, right? Hello, Ton. Hello, Alexis Nail Spot. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Money Back. Just second, if you're just tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. But I just did just few seconds ago. Look, completely transfer. Maybe I put some crystal on it. Just you know what is gonna look good on it. I'm gonna put the using my condensed glue gels. If you are tired or looking at for the new condensed glue gel, I mean the crystal glue that just to help place your crystal nice in one place, and it lasts up to 3 weeks. And if you are tired of what you're having and it keep, you know, coming off, check this one out. This is condensed and thick density. Let's move it upside down so you can see how thick density is. I am going to using pick a good amount, not too much because I do not want to float it on my crystal. I am gonna blend them nicely. I do not want to be too thick, especially we want to place a smaller crystal. So close the cap, and my twin tip brush, I'm going to wipe that tips off and use it for the next time. Next, I am going to put the no wipe top coat floating on to the top of that's one. Is this the old one? I'm just going to show you quick, but this is my old one. And floating on the top of uncured condensed glue gel, which is this is awesome techniques that will help the condensed no wipe top coat and uncured condensed glue gel will help grab your crystal base stay in nice place up to like 3 to 4 weeks. So great. Now you can do either you can put the pink one on, or you can put, you know, you never go wrong with the crystal AB because they always, let me put one in it. It looks not bad at all. Or you can put some multi-colors if you have one of the, if you have one of this kits, which is the awesome trifecta. I'm just want to quick because it related to what I am doing. So that's why I'm going to say this is the perfect 3-in-1. So condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue. You already not only have a good deal off for really good price, also this is one of the things I would like to share is it have so many different colors, mixed sizes, and then mixed colors like mega mix. So then that you can get any colors out of it to put it into your flowers if you want to. So that is such a great deal, and I will share with you how I'm using it and doing with my trifecta. So I'm gonna pick, and let's take away from my red. And can I get some more SS3 is my, right there? Thank you. Tiny little one. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday. How was your Wednesday? I was always busy as usual. This tray I have is kind of a mega mix of a lot of different sizes from a SS3, SS4, SS5. I'm using SS4 for the smaller flowers, but then I would using SS3 only because I don't want to take away from the flowers. My cute containers that I will take travel with me. Oh, it looks right. It looks, you know what, everyone, you are so right. Add it a little bit on and make it look so great. So I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds if you're happy with this, and then we're gonna check it one more time to double secure all the crystals. Debbie, what is the Facebook page name you're talking about? The Facebook page for Glitz accessory and such, Debbie? Hi, Zuli. Hi, Anna. It's you mean from Sarah? Sarah is Nails by Sarah Detroit, which is on Instagram, and then is Nails by Sarah, I think, is on Facebook as well. So she's just sharing really cool idea, tip, and trick to do 3 different designs on the nails. Beautiful. Nancy, More Nails. Are you guys going to be in New York shows, IBS shows? We are not. I believe we don't have a schedule for that, but I think we might have a schedule for IBS in Las Vegas. But we just had the class in New York 2 weeks ago, Nancy, and then probably we're gonna be back in New York for another class. Patricia, how many seconds do you put in the foil gels in the LED lamp? For the premiums, I hold chamfer foil is 30 seconds, and for is I hold chamfer foil is 60 seconds. So this chamfer foil, I hold chamfer foil, you put it on for 30 seconds, and yeah, and then this one, if you're using this premium one, this is one of my favorites. They are both my favorite, but this one is really cool. When you're busy in the salon, you want to get a big surface of yours and get it down, I prefer to use that premiums. So it looks great. I am going to using my precision glue. This is just one of my best friends in my desk. I always have it with me because every time a crystal placement I needed it, even a little stud or little small things, I really need to have this because I can check every single little crystal and the stones and the metal piece. If I have this precision glue, it helps so much to prevent from the clients catching on their hair. I feel right now, when I'm talking to you, I'm just doing a little exams around the crystal and I see any scratchies. If it's scratchies, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. If you're seeing that, just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And we do have the customer were asking questions like when they open the red cap, is a lot of them come out because it's really full in there. So if you do and give it a tap, a couple tap on the paper towels, release a lot of like extra glue gels on it. So then that's why it's not over like really flow it for you. So it's great. I'm just checking every single little edges and then it's really great. It doesn't look overflows with the precision glue because I didn't squeeze out a lot. So I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds, another 60 seconds, and it is now gonna be completely done. If you want to make the frame like a gold frame, like I did it before, you can do it that as well. It's one of the nails I did the frame. It looks super cute though. So I'm gonna keep this one in under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hope everyone have a great day today. I'm so excited. We have so many to share with you today. So many cool things. Yeah, Debbie, I don't know how sort of it, but if you get our glue gel, it's just make amazing look. Here is the couple nails that I do with transfer foil. And it looks like it's doing it like a teacup and like a China's glaze, and then a China cup, China dinnerware. Somehow I keep my China voice. This one is really cute. Teapot, whatever you call antique teapot or like China teapot. This one you can do a frame with the elastic strips. I can show you. I have it in my desk right here on the size. And if you want to do that, or if you want to draw to make a frame for that, this one's the one I had last time. I've been cutting, but then they're so flexible, and then you can just curl it however you want. See, so if you want to make a frame like this, you can. It looks great. Or if you want just plain like that, because you're gonna have more than just one nails on that. So, all right, so let's go into the next one. I'm so excited.